Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and if you are not a new subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me one more video. Today I have this cuteness. It is the subscription box from Simply Gilded. I haven't done an unboxing video and I decided that I can share what is in here with you. As you can see, it's closed. I haven't opened it yet, so if you're interested to see what is inside this beautiful package, keep watching. Okay, I took it out from the package, and to start, this is beautiful. I love the patterns that it inside in this area. The colors are so perfect for fall, and it's rose gold foil. Irene from Simply Gilded, she is so great with details. I love the subscription box. If you haven't tried a subscription box, or you haven't tried Simply Gilded washi tapes and products, I have a link down below that gives you a discount on your first order. If you want to try it, you can access to that link. Okay, the first things that I have in here is the card that she always include. She shows what is inside the box. As you can see, this box is for September 2019. The first thing that I have is a beautiful journaling card. It says that it's foil, it is in rose gold, and it's completely clear, but it has like crystal sharded. I don't know if that's the correct word, but it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It says Simply Gilded right here, and it has those gems. Let me see if you can see a little bit more. So yeah, this is the foil journaling card. I'm very excited about this one. It's completely different from the past ones that I used to have, that I have. Keep going with the Looks Quilted Veiled Pouch. It is very beautiful. In the camera I see it looks like a red, but it's not red. It is kind of like a wine colory. It's beautiful, so delicate. I love it. It's so beautiful that you can use it like when you're going out or things like that. I really like it, and it's kind of quilted. Yes. So this is the pouch. The other thing, it's an acrylic gem tray. Cannot wait to see this because I saw the pictures and videos, and it's like, oh my goodness, yes, it is beautiful. This is perfect for putting your jewelry inside, or to taking pictures with for your washies and everything. I love it. It looks like blue and purpley. I love it, love it. So this is the tray, gem tray. The next thing that I have is the stickers, the kit. Let's open it. It says sticker sheets and set of seals. This is the first one. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I love the colors, the purples, the pinks. and these are very, very cute. I love it. And the bows are magnificent. Oh my god, look at that. It has the crystal shatter thing. I love it. And this is one of the others sheet. And the last one. It says sparkle over here. Love your aura. It's beautiful. And this one says shine bright like a diamond. So cute. I like it. So these are the stickers and the seals. The next thing is this beautiful pen. Her pens are my favorite. They write so beautifully. This time it has the metal is on rose gold, and it has her bow in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it has engraved her bow, and it says Simply Gilded, and it's gel pen. I believe it's a gel pen. Yeah, gel ink, and it writes beautiful. I use them all the time in my planners, so I'm very excited to add this to my collection. It's beautiful. Now we're going to set of Washi cards. I'm very excited about this one because I sent some goodies to friends, and I can use it as that because it gives you a few ones, and oh my goodness, they are all so pretty. This one is a diamond, and it says shine bright like a diamond, and this one has another one with gems. This one says love your, and it's a heart. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can doing this. There you go. This is the third one. The fourth one is a set of 5. I believe this is amazing, and this is my favorite. I love it. I'm gonna stay with this one for sure. It is beautiful. It is the bow with some lines that looks like diamonds, and it's on the same shattered glass that she incorporates in all of her stickers. This item, it was a mystery item, and it's beautiful. I'm very excited about this one, and it's like a gem. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Comes with this cute pouch. I believe it's pouch that you said. And oh my god, it is so beautiful. Such a beautiful piece that you can use to decorate your tables, your jewelry area. Great for pictures. I mean, if you put it like here inside, I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, it is beautiful, beautiful. I really, really like it. And the last thing that are my favorite are the sets of washi. The subscription box comes with the things that I just showed you, and these are the designer washi tape that comes on the basic subscription, and you can add on some more washi for, I believe it's less than $6, and this is the ones that comes with the add-on because I have the subscription with add-on. Of course I need more washi. And here is this one that has like a purples, pinks, and the bows are white, and the effect is the shatter glass inside. I love this one. Cannot wait to start using that. Then it comes a set of the bows. Same thing. It's not foil. I believe it's white, if I'm not mistaken. It's beautiful. The next one is this one with There you go. With the jewels, jewelries. Has hearts and diamonds, and it's rose gold foiled. This one is in the shattered glass, I believe, or silver. Looks so pretty. And I'm excited about this one. I haven't had the chance to get one of this one. It's the, I believe her name is Single Line Bow. And yeah, I finally have one. I'm going to get them out of the paper and make like a little bit example so you can see how they look. I'll be right back. So this is an example of how they look. I don't know if you can tell this one. It has, I mean, all of this and this one has the shattered glass effect. I hope that you can see. It is beautiful. This one is my favorite, as well as all the bows, because I love bows. But it's not because they are not gorgeous. All of them are gorgeous. I'm just saying which one is my favorite. I cannot wait to use them. I love the burgundy. Perfect for now that we are in fall. This type of bluey purpley color, it's amazing. The very light pink, I adore it. I mean, oh my god, it is beautiful. So this is how it looks, all the washies. And this is all that came inside my subscription box for September from Simply Gilded. I love everything. The washies, this tray, the pen. I mean, one more month Simply Gilded just surprised me with the good things that she has to offer with the subscription box. If you like this video, I will appreciate that you give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and you can hit the bell so you receive notifications every time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for being here, for watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!